For decades, the world of computer-aided design has been defined by limitations, by walls, by steep price tags. But what if the only limit was your imagination? What if the most powerful tools were accessible to everyone, everywhere? Today, that future arrives. Welcome to FreeCAD 1.0. This isn't just an update, it's a revolution in open-source design. We've rebuilt FreeCAD from the ground up, focusing on three core principles: speed, intelligence, and power. The result is an experience that feels intuitive, responsive, and incredibly capable. Right from the start, you'll notice the completely redesigned user interface. It's cleaner, more modern, and fully customizable to your unique workflow. Every icon, every menu has been meticulously crafted for clarity and efficiency. We wanted to create a workspace that gets out of your way, letting you focus on what truly matters: your ideas. The new integrated Start Workbench is your central hub, giving you instant access to recent files, helpful resources, and community news, so you can dive straight into your projects without missing a beat. At the heart of FreeCAD 1.0 are the dramatic improvements to its core architecture. Our new constraint solver is a game changer. It's faster and more robust than ever, allowing you to create and modify complex sketches with hundreds of constraints, all in real time. Watch as we effortlessly adjust parameters. The geometry updates instantly, maintaining all design intent. This isn't just about speed, it's about creative freedom. You can explore design variations with a fluidity that was previously unimaginable in open-source CAD. This new level of performance means less waiting and more creating. The Sketcher, the foundation of any great model, has been supercharged with new tools and a more intuitive workflow. We've introduced powerful new geometric constraints and construction tools that make drafting even the most intricate profiles a breeze. See how easy it is to create tangent arcs, symmetrical patterns, and complex splines. The visual feedback is clearer, the snapping is more precise, and the overall experience is just smarter. We've listened to the community and implemented features that real-world engineers and designers have been asking for, making the Sketcher a true powerhouse for 2D creation. But great design doesn't stop at a single part. That's why FreeCAD 1.0 introduces a dedicated built-in assembly workbench. We know this has been one of the most requested features, and we've worked tirelessly to deliver a solution that is both powerful and easy to use. Now, you can seamlessly bring multiple parts together, defining relationships and constraints to build complex, fully articulated assemblies. Watch as we mate these components, defining axes of rotation and planes of contact. You can test for interference, analyze motion, and ensure your entire product fits together perfectly, long before you ever manufacture a single piece. Of course, a design is only as good as its presentation. The rendering capabilities in FreeCAD 1.0 have been completely overhauled. With native support for physically based rendering, or PBR materials, your models will look more realistic than ever before. We've integrated a powerful new rendering engine that simulates how light interacts with surfaces, creating stunning photorealistic images and animations directly within FreeCAD. Whether you're creating marketing materials, client presentations, or simply visualizing your final product, you can now achieve professional-grade results without ever leaving your design environment. Add custom lighting, apply realistic textures, and bring your vision to life in breathtaking detail. FreeCAD is more than just a modeler. It's a complete engineering ecosystem. The TechDraw workbench has been enhanced, making it faster and more intuitive to create production-ready 2D drawings from your 3D models. The Finite Element Method, or FEM workbench, now boasts a more streamlined workflow and improved solver integration, allowing you to run complex structural simulations to validate your designs with confidence. And for manufacturing, the Path workbench continues to evolve, providing more robust CAM tools to generate G-code for your CNC machines. From initial concept to final production, FreeCAD 1.0 provides a seamless, integrated pipeline. This is the culmination of years of dedication from a passionate global community. FreeCAD 1.0 is more than just software. It's a statement. It proves that open source can be powerful, professional, and beautiful. It's a tool built by users, for users, with a commitment to being free, forever. Faster, smarter, more powerful. This is the future of design, and it belongs to everyone. Download FreeCAD 1.0 today and start creating the world of tomorrow. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and join the open source revolution.